Are you looking for a compact SUV that blends power, style, and tech in one neat package? The 2026 Kia Seltos might just be your perfect match. The 2026 Kia Seltos brings an elevated presence to the roads, thanks to its bold and athletic exterior. Under the hood, it houses a refined 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 195 horsepower, offering a spirited drive whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the highway. The powertrain is efficient yet responsive, paired with a smooth shifting transmission that enhances driving dynamics. At the front, the signature Kia Tiger nose grille stands proudly, flanked by aggressive LED headlights that extend sleekly into the fenders, giving the car a sharp look. The daytime running lights form a striking, heartbeat pattern that adds a futuristic flair, while the redesigned bumper looks muscular and modern. The wheels, available in 18-inch alloy designs, complete the tough and stylish stance, making it stand out from the crowd. Moving to the side, the lines are clean and dynamic, showing off subtle curves and crisp edges. The side glass now features a blacked-out trim that adds sophistication, and the door handles are body-colored with optional chrome finishes, offering both style and convenience. The rear of the Seltos continues the sporty feel, with full-width connected LED taillights that offer a sleek, unified look. The redesigned back bumper and integrated exhaust tips bring a refined toughness, and the roof spoiler tops it off, hinting at the SUV's athletic nature. Inside, the Seltos welcomes you with a refined and spacious cabin that offers comfort and smart design. The dashboard features a wide digital panel that merges a 10.25-inch LCD infotainment screen and a fully digital instrument cluster into one seamless display, creating a futuristic driving cockpit. The materials have been upgraded, with soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery, giving the cabin a premium feel. The side doors include padded armrests and ambient lighting, making every ride feel comfortable and classy. The gear selector is now a shift-by-wire dial, providing more space and a modern touch to the center console. The push-button start is placed intuitively near the steering wheel, which itself is leather-wrapped and now includes touch-sensitive controls and paddle shifters on some variants. The front seats are ventilated and power-adjustable, ensuring a relaxed driving experience. In the rear, passengers will find excellent legroom and headroom. There's even a folding table between the rear seats, perfect for snacks, gadgets, or work on the go. Cargo space remains one of the strongest points of the Seltos, with a deep and versatile trunk that can easily accommodate luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Fold down the 60/40th split rear seats, and you get even more room for larger items. The price of the 2026 Kia Seltos is expected to start around $25,000 for the base LX trim, going up to approximately $32,000 for the fully loaded SX variant. Given its tech, space, and style, it offers great value in the compact SUV segment. The 2026 Kia Seltos is a perfect blend of ruggedness, refinement, and innovation, ready for every journey, short or long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Turbo Excel for more in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and driving impressions.